How to cancel order on Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can basically cancel order on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to cancel your order on Uber Eats, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats application. Now if it's already been actually quite a bit late, then you will not be able to cancel your order because the restaurant has already started preparing the food. But if it's only been like a minute or two, you can actually call the delivery driver to cancel the order and they will let the restaurant know about it. Or you can simply come to the account tab from here, then just go to the orders option from the very top of the screen. Once you tap on orders, over here you will find any order that you have, so select that, tap on the help option or tap on cancel order option, and then you'll be able to cancel your order. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then cancel your Uber Eats order. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.